Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the basic functions of the LG XBOOM app for your speaker LG XBOOM. So to do this, first you need to enable your speaker like this. Then make sure it's connected to your Bluetooth like this. And now from here it's connected, so we can see all of the information, like its battery 50%. You can go to Bluetooth or AUX, which one you prefer. You can increase or decrease the volume of the sound. You can enable or disable the sound boost, so it's sound boost or standard. And next option is auto power management. You can enable that or disable that. You can select the song. It's a basic player right here. Go to playlist, my music files, software update. You can update your device by pressing this. You can go to app settings from where you can enable gestures, auto music play, do not use, or playing next, whatever you prefer. And that's actually it for the basic functions. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.